Guys, let's solve this WAEC question together. Question say we should find the smaller value of x that satisfies the equation. So we have this equation here: x raised to the power of 2 plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. So when you have this kind of quadratic equation and you are to solve, the first thing you should know is to find the two possible values that when you add, you have the middle 10, and when you multiply, you have the last 10. So here, the two possible values that if you add, you have 7, and when you multiply, you have 10. These two possible values are 2 times 5. When you add 2 plus 5, you have 7, and when you multiply, you have 10. So since we know that the two possible values are 2 and 5, what we do, we are going to remove this middle 10 and replace it with 2 and 5. That will be x raised to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 5x plus 10, and that's equal to 0. Then since we have done that, we'll now insert brackets. Then after the insertion, we'll factorize. The next thing is to factorize. So factorization, for the first bracket, we are going to look at the common factor between this and this, and the common factor between x raised to the power of 2 and 2x is x. So we'll now take x outside. X into x raised to the power of 2 is x, and x into 2x, that will give us 2. Then we are done for the first bracket. Second bracket say the common factor here is 5, and 5 into 5x will give us 5. That is when you take 5x divided by 5, 5 take care of 5, and you have x. Then 5 into 10 will give us 2. What you will notice is that the two brackets become equal. So since you have the two brackets equal, what you will do is you take either this and this. Since we have the same, that will be x plus 2. Then we take the outside values to form the second bracket. Then what we have here is x and 5. So the second bracket will become x plus 5. In solving this, you have to take care of the signs. If here is positive or negative, you have to take, if it is negative, you take it as negative. Negative means minus sign. So since we now arrive here, either the first bracket is equal to 0 or the second bracket is equal to 0. So the first bracket, which is x plus 2, is equal to 0, or x plus 5 is equal to 0. So from here, we have that x plus 2 is equal to 0. Solving for x, when dealing with equation, when you are having a plus sign and you want to cross this inequality sign, the sign changes. So here we have plus and we are taking it to cross this inequality sign. That will give us minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2, or x plus 5 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to minus 5. And the question says we should find a smaller value. So in mathematics, any negative number that is big is smaller. For example, if you have minus 101, 1 is greater than minus 100. Reason being that, assuming you are owing somebody 100 naira and another person is just and another person that have 1 naira is richer than you. So minus 100 is less than 1, which means if you have minus 2 or minus 5, minus 2 is greater than minus 5, because assuming you are owing somebody 2 naira and another person is owing 5 naira, so the person that is owing 2 naira is richer than you, because when you have 5 naira the person will balance up and you still be having 3. So the smaller value here is minus 5. Therefore, the smaller value is minus 5. Thank you all. If you enjoy my lesson, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell.